How to Make Money in Forex, Part 2. In this video, we will learn about how to find the right Forex broker. At first, ensure the broker is compliant with prevailing regulations. The broker should be a member of the National Futures Association and be registered with the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission as a Futures Commission merchant and retail foreign exchange dealer. Usually, you can determine if the broker is in compliance by visiting the About Us section of its website. That's where the company will disclose if it's a member of the NFA and registered with the CFTC. The NFA establishes rules that preserve the integrity of the currency exchange market. The mission of the CFTC is to protect market users and the public from fraud, manipulation, and abusive practices related to the sale of commodity and financial futures and options, and to foster open, competitive, and financially sound futures and option markets. Ensure that the Forex pairs you want to trade are offered. It may be the case that you're looking to trade a specific pair of currencies. Be absolutely certain that the brokerage you're considering offers that pair. Check the reviews. If you think you've found a great brokerage, search online for reviews of the brokerage and see if other people have had a good experience. If you find that the vast majority of reviewers are complaining about the brokerage, move on. Look at the trading platform. Make sure that the trading platform is designed in such a way that you find it easy to use. Usually, brokerage sites will offer screenshots of their trading platforms online. You might also find some YouTube videos showing people actually using the trading platform. Be sure that it's the kind of platform you can work with. Pay attention to the commissions. You're going to have to pay money every time you make a trade. Be sure that the commission you're paying is competitive. Check out the description. Here are the list of some trusted bookers that we have mentioned linked. M4 Markets, Ava Trade, Exness, Blackbull, Just Markets, FP Markets, Vantage Markets. Next two-part, we will discuss about how to trading in Forex successfully. For more in-depth analysis and exclusive content, visit our website at financialmarkets.online. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest financial trends.